What's up, brother?
It just turned off. And it's smoking a lot. Is it gonna blow up? Doesn't show it on camera, but it's smoking, bro. See it? Yeah, it's smoking. Maybe I made it work too hard or something. Yeah. Motorcycle check. Vroom, vroom. Frick. It just turned off, bro. There's gasoline pumping. You can barely see it. See? Oh my gosh. Focus. Freaking focus, bro. There we go. And, no, it's still smoking. It's smoking for a long time. And then, so here's our exhaust. Yeah, here's our exhaust. I'm just gonna give you a little tour of it. Oh my gosh, it's so blurry now. Okay, so this is the front. This is rock solid bumper. Here are these really, really thick tires for off-roading. Handlebars. This is the brake. That's just a handlebar. I don't even know what this is. This is I've been on my older bike, and this. So, what is that then? Here's the throttle. This is to turn it off, and it's off already. So, this is to pour gasoline into it. Ow, that's hot. That's burning hot. Okay. These are the things that you would put your feet on. You could put them up if you don't like to put your feet on things. Probably not though. Or you probably do want to put your feet on stuff. And then this is to start it. You go like bang, bang, and then we got the muffler. You turn this on whenever you're gonna go like that, or the choke, whatever. And yeah, we got a V4 engine. I mean, V12 engine, totally. What the frick? There's like a fly or bee behind me right now. And then we got these pretty sick rims, in my opinion. Then we got the brakes right here. I'm surprised the brakes aren't in the front. Or like the brakes aren't just like the whole thing. But it's smarter to have them in the back, or else if you brake, you're just gonna go like, wow. Oh, I cannot pick this thing up. It's so heavy. We got dirt bike. Yeah, it's lame. But we got number 23 from Michael Jordan. And yeah, that's really the whole thing. Wait, there's no more. Oh, never mind. I thought there's no gas, but there's. Here's the kickstand. If you wanted to see that. And that's really it. It goes 35 miles per hour max. I think it could go more. Hi! I don't know, I just stopped randomly. No, I think I overworked it. It still has gas in it. I shaked it. Anyways. I'm gonna do more stuff in this video because yo, what the frick? That was a rare freaking fly, bro. Did you see that? It was like those cleats in like 2014 or whatever. They're like Adidas Crazy Fast, but they were like, or like Adidas X. Crazy Fast, whatever. And like they were like zebra printed. That's how that fly looked. Maybe I should get off of this because it's hot. So what do I do now? I used to do this to my mom's tires. Pick these little things off. Oh look, it's a little spider friend. Where'd he go? There he is. Wait, he's gone. Where'd he go? Spider friend. He's gone. Oh wait, here he is. Oh, that's just a fly. Boring flies. Anyways, I think that's gonna be it. I'll make like a couple more parts of me like riding this bike and maybe some edits. So yeah, see you later. Peace.
Better than that? I'd never.
Probably boring to you guys, so I'm just gonna skip to the next part. Whee!
Alright, so now we're gonna play some soccer. Oh gosh. Wait. I'll play like right here. I got a goal, as you can see. I think right here. No, like up in the tree right here. Maybe like, and then I was gonna do a simple one right here. No, that's fine. Okay. I could like hang it in top bins. This would be a good spot, but it's definitely not gonna stay there. Yeah, this is a heavy phone kind of. If you're wondering, it's iPhone 13 Pro, not Pro. iPhone 13, it's a big bulky case on it. Oh my gosh, bro, this keeps coming apart. Okay, well, I'm just gonna set you right here. Next to it, I'm doing it right here. That was my first part of my film. I'm gonna do it. If I could like put it like that. Yeah, right here. No, that's horrible. Boom, okay. That's what I'm so basically I was gonna get headphones to make like a mic, so like whenever I'm far out I could talk. So I don't have them right now. I'm just gonna talk until my dad gets them for me, and then yeah, so I'm just gonna wait till that part. So I'm just gonna talk to myself. I think I'm actually asking my dad right now. No. Yeah. I think I'm asking him right now. So I'm just gonna, yeah. Peace. Corner kick. Go. Penalty corner. Golazo.
Red card for Army.
She just lined up with me like Sergio Ramos, bro. What the? Who she think she is, bro? Okay guys, we're back. I'm wearing AirPods, so like there's like a microphone now, so you can hear me from like far away. So, she has like some marker on her face, so, I'll be back to you guys. I'll see you whenever the show is done. What is up, that? Okay, I'm back. Hold on, I'm just gonna take off this undershirt. Okay, I'm done. Let's go get something to eat. Okay, so we're back. Ooh, I had a snack. I already ate it. It was a cookie, but I have water. Might as well give you guys a room tour. It's a little different after my birthday, so yeah, I'll show you it. Okay, so first, what's new? We got this car wall to put on my RC cars. Got the boats, charging station, pins for like this part, or this is a better example for like this part. This is a drifter car. What do they call it? Excuse me. I can't think of it. And then what else? Oh yeah. This is definitely a difference. We got Ronaldo, Neymar, Messi, Haaland, Bellingham, Griezmann. I don't know what we're gonna put in these areas. I got new bed sheets and stuff like that. No more boxes right here if you've seen my room before. Hi, we got Champions League. Does that even say? That's Istanbul. What is Istanbul? But it does say Champions League and match ball replica. And then we got the Man City ball. And got a basketball. It was signed, I think. I don't know where the signature is. Nope, it wasn't signed. Then we got a football. That's dirty. And I think that's about it. Oh, here's like little things that I got for my birthday. But this isn't all of it. So we got some X-Tigers, aka Pit Vipers, I guess you could call them. Then we got some hand sanitizer with like a soccer case. Bro, it smells so good. I wish you could smell on I wish you guys could smell on YouTube, but you can't. If you could, then I'll be like, smell this. Yes, bruh. Bruh, that's my favorite smell. I forgot I have cuts. No, I'm kidding. It doesn't even hurt that bad. Next are, we got a Nike box. Take a guess. I'll pause. Alright, time's up. 3, 2, 1. Yes, they're Nike Air Maxes 270. They're pretty sick. I know they're an NPC shoe, but don't you dare say that to my face or... Yeah, I like them. I haven't worn them yet outside, but I'm gonna try them on real quick, so yeah. Okay, well here they are. I can barely see them. Pretty fresh. They look good on me. But here we go. I'm gonna show you an angle from like. Here's another angle without a mirror. That's cringy. I'm gonna jump. That's pretty high jump. Here's me juggling a balloon with them. And yes, it is a soccer balloon. I'm bad with the left. But it's a balloon, Grayson. It's so easy to juggle it. Shut up. No, I'm kidding. Okay, that's what I said to do. I'm gonna take this off now because these are. Oh, that hurt. These are one of my favorite shoes that I have. I have Jordans. They're pretty basic Jordans, cherry red. I have Giannis's, but they're very beat up. I have Chunky Dunks. I have Yeezys. You see this one? You just saw them, by the way. Playing outside. Air Max 270s right here, and then what else do I have? I think I have some like crappy other shoes like boots and sandals. I have the Air Zoom cleats. Those don't really count as shoes. And then another Air Zoom cleat. CR7. I think you've seen those before. Actually, you see both on YouTube. I'm gonna see what other shoes I have because I kind of forgot where they are my shoes. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Oh, okay. Well, I have normal Dunks, and that's really it. I think. Yeah. That's it. So like the last one was normal Dunks. Fixing my bed real quick. What should we do? I swear I had something in mind that we could do, but I lost it. What was it? Oh, I was just gonna work out the videos, but oh, by the way, those cars, the drifters, they're called Nissan GTR 35. If you're a car fan, and actually, what if I'm kind of bored right now, so I'm just gonna name everything in my room, kind of. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera now. Okay, so first we got, I really don't know what this looks like. Neither with these and that one. I mean, I'm gonna guess it's a Ford Focus. So with that, okay, so Nissan R35 GTR GT350, Ford Mustang GT350. No, it's not a Mustang. Okay. I really don't know what these are either. Same with these. These are Ford Raptors. It's really easy to guess. If you look at the front, it's really easy to guess. Kind of. But it does say like Raptor. It says Ford right here. Oh my gosh, this thing is dusty, bro. Ew. Air zooms. More air zooms. Champion League. Manchester. Chunky Dunks. Jordans. Normal Dunks. Crappy shoes. Oh, I don't even know boats. MX 270s, Pit Vipers, I guess you could say. Pessy jersey. I never wore my Real Madrid jersey this week. Why is it dirty? Socks and underwear. That's really a good name in this room. Oh, well, there's already the names right here. Yeah. Nope. Is that a bug? Is that a farting bug? What is that? No, it's not a bug. Alright, oh. Guys, I'm gonna look back at my I'm gonna look back at the clips that I did outside. So yeah, peace out. I'm gonna maybe play some Roblox or some like FIFA downstairs on my gaming consoles once I'm done looking at the stuff and editing. So yeah, peace. Okay, guys, I really don't want to post anymore because, bro, I've been editing for like an hour or two, and it's like not that long of a video, but it still took me kind of long. So I think I'm just gonna end it off like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Actually, the next video might be like playing game. Oh wait, tomorrow's Monday. Yeah, probably maybe next, Like, not this weekend, like, after, like, this Monday and then that weekend, but the next weekend after that weekend, I might do a gaming video on, like, FIFA and, like, games that I have on my Xbox and games that I have on my PS5 and maybe Switch, but one of my controllers don't work because, like, I'll just show you right now. Look, see. Oh, why is the flash on? Oh, that hurts. Okay, look. The joystick won't move. So, yeah. So there's like a 40% chance that I'm gonna play my Switch that weekend. So, yeah, peace. See you in the next one.